Today we will see the characteristics of a quadratic graph. You can see this is the general form of a quadratic equation. Y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, and you know that the highest power of the variable in any quadratic equation is 2. ठीक है, किसी भी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में जो हाईएस्ट पावर होती है वेरिएबल की वो 2 होती है. सो वट एवर द इक्वेशन इज, आपको जो ग्राफ है वो पैराबोला की फॉर्म में ही बनेगा, या वो हैप्पी फेस हो सकता है या वो सैड फेस की फॉर्म में बनेगा. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज हाउ कैन वी आइडेंटिफाई कि हमारा ग्राफ जो है वो हैप्पी फेस है या सैड फेस है. दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई. तो बेटा ये पता लगता है विद द एक्स स्क्वायर टर्म. इफ़ दिस टर्म इज़ पॉजिटिव then your graph would be a happy face. If your a is greater than 0, if the coefficient of x square is greater than 0, then the graph would be happy face. It open upwards, and if a is less than 0, then your graph would be a sad face. It opens downwards. अच्छा, अब इस ग्राफ में this thing is known as the turning point. This thing is known as the turning point. And whenever your graph is a happy face or it open upwards, so हम उस केस में turning point को कहते हैं minimum point. Minimum point. Similarly, अगर आपका ग्राफ sad face है तो उस केस में हम टर्निंग पॉइंट को क्या बोलेंगे? मैक्सिमम पॉइंट. इस केस में हम टर्निंग पॉइंट को कहते हैं मैक्सिमम पॉइंट. बेसिकली टर्निंग पॉइंट इज द पॉइंट वेयर द ग्राफ चेंजेस द डायरेक्शन. दिस पॉइंट इज द लोएस्ट और हाईएस्ट पॉइंट ऑन द ग्राफ. दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल इट मिनिमम पॉइंट और maximum point. Let's talk about x-intercepts. X-intercepts are the points where your graph is passing through the x-axis. It cuts the x-axis at these 2 points, so these points are known as x-intercepts. Similarly, in this graph we have x-intercepts over here. Okay, let's see y-intercept. Y-intercept is a point where your graph cuts the y-axis. In case of happy face we have y-intercept here, and sad face we have y-intercept over here. Now let's talk about line of symmetry. A line of symmetry is a vertical line that divides the parabola exactly into 2 equal halves. This is the line of symmetry we have in the case of happy face, and here we have this line. So basically this orange line is our line of symmetry. It passes through the turning point. You can see it is passing through the turning point, and it divides the parabola exactly into 2 equal halves. You can see. So this line is line of symmetry. So to describe a quadratic graph, we look at shape, whether it's up or down, happy or sad face. We look at the turning points, maximum, minimum, line of symmetry, and intercepts.